doing today?
Good.
Good? Just good?
No, I'm a little scared.
A little scared? Why are we scared?
I'm going up.
You're gonna go jump out of an airplane today.
Jump out of a plane.
Is that why they got you in this fancy harness?
I believe so.
Is it gonna be your first time jumping out of a plane?
Yes, it is.
That's amazing. Is there any special reason today?
My 65th birthday.
Oh, happy birthday. Did you bring anyone out here to celebrate with you?
My husband, Gordon.
Hey, man. Are you not jumping too?
No, I'm too heavy.
Keep your feet on the ground? Fair enough. Well, Sandy, here in a few minutes, we're gonna fly all the way up to 13,500 feet, jump out of the airplane, and then we'll be free falling back towards the ground at over 120 miles an hour.
Yeah, that's what scares me.
Anything you want to say to friends and family before we go?
Mwah, love you.
Let's go have some fun, girl. See you out there.
Okay.
Hey, Sandy, we got about 10 more minutes to go. How you feeling back there?
Scared, very scared.
Oh, that's perfectly normal. You're gonna have so much fun. Anything you want to say before we go?
I love you.
Love you too. Let's go have some fun outside.
Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky.
Welcome back, Sandy. How was that? You did great. What do you think was your favorite part?
Not jumping out. Probably just coming down.
Nice.
I started to relax.
Awesome. Well, thank you for choosing Skydive DeLand. We hope to see you again.